Welcome to a hidden Tennessee escape where 100 plus private acres offer complete seclusion, breathtaking scenery, and a slower pace of life just waiting to be enjoyed. Surrounded by the rolling hills of Wilson County, this remarkable property feels worlds away from the rush of everyday living, yet it's less than an hour from Nashville. From the moment you arrive, endless forests, open skies, and panoramic countryside views create a setting that immediately feels peaceful and untouched. The land is the true centerpiece here. Spread across 3 separate parcels, these 100-plus acres are alive with wildlife and natural beauty in every direction. Multiple water features wind through the property, attracting deer, wild birds, and countless native species throughout the year. Whether you're walking the wooded trails, exploring the hillsides, or simply sitting quietly while nature unfolds around you, every corner of this property offers a sense of privacy that's becoming increasingly rare. One of the most remarkable things about this retreat is the silence. There are no busy roads, no crowded neighborhoods, and no distractions competing for your attention. Instead, you're surrounded by forests, rolling hills, and wide open skies, where the sounds of flowing water and local wildlife replace the noise of city life. It's the kind of property where every sunrise and sunset becomes part of your daily routine. The comfortable 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been thoughtfully positioned to take full advantage of the surrounding landscape. Large windows frame peaceful views in every direction, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and the natural beauty outside. Whether you're relaxing after a day outdoors or enjoying a quiet morning with coffee, the home offers the perfect balance of comfort and simplicity. This property is ideal for buyers searching for a private homestead, recreational getaway, hunting retreat, or long-term investment in Middle Tennessee. With multiple parcels included, there are also opportunities for future expansion, while still preserving the privacy and character that make this property so special.